So something about TED TV tonight is my promoter's night of Valentine's Day. You know what I mean? I know y'all ain't seen me in a minute. Y'all can see I'm doing the big sexy shit, you know what I mean? No shirt on, just a jean jacket. Y'all need to know that today is Valentine's Day show. Practice that safe sex, you know what I mean? My rhyme goes, safe sex is the great test. Homies pound it down, but make sure you use the latex. You know what I mean? Ladies, love your man. Man, love your ladies. People who doing it for a fling, you know what I mean? No strings attached, but just make sure you know who you doing it with. I'm not doing this too long because it's Valentine's Day. So, but I just want y'all to know that this is what it is today. You know what I mean? Some people gonna get pregnant. I don't care because you know what I mean. You're doing you, but just make sure that you lay it down. You know what I mean, and make sure that everything is fine. Also, a big shout out to my bro, Floss. Big shout out to Floss. You know what I mean? Because he came out with this song called Run From It. And definitely about them girls running from the digs. But so tonight's my video short. I just want y'all to know that I will be coming back to do videos. I love y'all. I know you ain't heard from me in a while, and this is my V-Day video to get out there. But just make sure that y'all do everything right. Make sure everything is proper. Make sure everything is safe. Make sure that everything is fine. Make sure that your parents are aware that you are doing what you're doing. Well, don't let them know you're doing everything, but let them know, your whereabouts. Make sure you're safe. And everybody just have a blessed Valentine's Day. So this is the V-Day one. And people been asking what my tattoo say. Pointing for says God's gift to music. And my stuff will be coming soon. So thank y'all. I love y'all. Salute, salute, salute. And I'm gonna bump this out. Woo! Shouts out to the bro Floss. Alright, y'all. See y'all later. Peace.